Relationship expert and counselor Norm Quantz of Image Incorporated offers another compelling topic in the mental health field. Visit normquantz.com for more information.
I want to talk today about a woman who has been psychologically abused, mentally tormented, or struggling with the issue of a marriage relationship or a partner relationship that is needing now. It's gone to an extent that they have to actually go to a lawyer and look at their options, whether it's about breakup of the relationship or just some legal advice in preparation for those thoughts, or even in deciding to go ahead with the divorce process. One of the things that I find that women are having a hard time doing is to represent themselves properly to a lawyer. And lawyers need the facts that they can then gain the traction in their case to make the point and deal with their the client situation and represent them well in their case. So as a woman speaking to a lawyer, it's very important for you to know what you're actually asking for. Because if that's uncertain, the lawyer doesn't have instructions or guidelines to go on in actually following the request. So I've often advised women to make sure that they have on their own or in help with their counselor or with somebody else before they go to their lawyer to actually write down what they really want, what has been happening and what their concerns are, to write it down, because I find that when they get before a lawyer, they're all nervous, they're all tense, they can't think all the things that are going on, and some of the most important things are actually left out that the lawyer could use then as a basis for some tangible issues. So one of the things that you can write down in preparation is what is the pattern of things happening in the past, how the abuse actually takes place, how the mind games work, what goes on in the discussion, and have several examples as tangibles to make that happen. And then also write down what is the expected result that you want to have as to why you're actually seeking the lawyer's advice. So lawyers oftentimes, in my experience, and I'm not a lawyer, but I know a number of them, lawyers often will not act forward and assertively in the case because they don't have direction from their client as to what they do. So it sort of muddles along, the client gets frustrated, the woman's very frustrated with why the lawyer's not acting, and yet as I hear what she said to him, I say, well, that's a message that doesn't have any clear direction for them, and so they can't tell you what to tell them. They need to hear that from you. So be clear, prepare it ahead of time, and when you have the write-up, then present that to the lawyer and let that be the first thing that the lawyer